Welcome to the world-famous Winter Park Scenic Boat Tour.
This boat tour has been here since 1938. It's an hour-long narrated tour where you get your own skipper and you get to go around the lakes to look at the beautiful mansions and go through the canals. Goes past Rollins College and the Isle of Sicily. Beautiful parks, birds. It's amazing. Let's go take a ride. Been on the Winter Park Scenic Boat Tour many times. One of the things we love about it is every single time you get a different skipper for a captain and you learn a little more nuggets and facts that you didn't know before. We love it because it's always changing, it's always a new tour even though it's the same route. So we recommend that you do it once, twice, or 10 times. You'll enjoy it every time.
Back on land in beautiful Winter Park.
The boat tour was absolutely amazing. We've been on it many times. We take friends, family, clients, relatives, everybody. So if you'd like to go on the boat tour, let us know. Winter Park is one of the most historic and appreciating areas in Central Florida. It's absolutely gorgeous. We're going to be doing some more videos on real estate and other things to do in the area, so stay tuned for more information.